caught in a crackdown on people who have illegal handicap parking permits. A Middle Island man was facing felony charges for having a forged permit. But as News 12 Long Island's George Sells reports, he had a story that appears to have changed some minds.
Ken Palermo was about to go on trial for a felony this morning, and that was the least of his worries. His wife is bedridden at home, waiting for a liver transplant.
6 months to a year, she needs a liver. And me being in jail for a crime like this, supposedly a crime like this, is detrimental to my wife's health and my family.
The charge involves a handicapped parking pass like this one. Palermo and his wife legitimately owned one, which was lost when he had a car wreck. He got a new one, but then someone returned the first pass. Then the mistake, changing the expiration date on the first one. He now had a forged pass. Why was it done?
I'm not sure. You know, like I said, we had 2 cars, so...
It was a convenience thing so that they could put one in each car.
This case is more than a year old, and Palermo always felt a felony charge for what he did was a little overboard.
It's consumed our lives. Okay, every minute of the day, you know, it's devastated me.
But today, as potential jurors were filing in for Palermo's trial, a deal was finally cut with the DA's office. He would plead guilty to a misdemeanor. Prosecutors never directly answered why no deal was offered until today, 15 months after the arrest.
I continually evaluated the case, and based on the facts and circumstances that presented itself, we felt that this was a fair disposition.
I believe it's over now, you know, and it just makes it easier on my family now, so that this is all behind us.
But Suffolk prosecutors warn they still intend to keep tracking down on forged handicap parking passes. In Riverhead, George Sells, News 12, Long Island.
Palermo will be sentenced to 60 days in jail, but he likely won't serve any time. The judge plans to allow him to do 280 hours of community service instead, and then serve time on probation. And that leads us to our question of the day. Have you ever illegally parked in a handicapped spot? Log on to news12.com. Give us your answer. Well, it's an amazing